What's the meaning of abrade? Abrade. 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 To abrade is to rub or wear away, especially by friction. It can also mean to irritate or roughen by rubbing. The result of abrading something can be a scraped, rough, or worn surface. In some cases, abrading can also cause injury, such as a cut or scrape. Here are some examples of how the word abrade can be used in a sentence. The rough rocks abraded the soles of my feet. The sandpaper abraded the paint off the wall. The politician's abrasive comments abraded his opponents. The constant rubbing of the seatbelt abraded the skin on my arm.